Hi guys, we are back with video number 3 for the week, and this video is due Thursday before class. It is a preview to the lesson, so we want to make sure this is done prior to Thursday. So let's think about this. Jay-Z is working on a new song. This time he has at least 99 problems. What is a possible number for how many problems he has? So we want to think about the word at least. At least 99 problems. So does that mean more or less? So it actually means more. At least means I want that number, so I want 99 or 100 or 101, 102. So he has at least 99 problems. That means he has 99 or more. Okay, let's look at number 2. Or bullet point number 2. With your new cell phone plan, you can send no more than 200 texts per month. Does that mean more text or less text? So this one actually means less. So that means I can send 200, 199, 198, and so on. So I can send 200 or less. I cannot send more. No more than. All right? So we need to be careful because at least looks like the word less, but it actually means more. And no more than literally has more than in it, but that no changes its meaning to less. So when we're doing these problems, we need to be super mindful of that. All right, let's move into our guided example. A donut shop charges 70 cents for each donut and 30 cents for a carryout box. Shirley has $5 to spend. At most, how many donuts can she buy if she wants one carryout box? Okay. So what is the question asking us? So notice I annotated, circled my numbers, underlined key info, and squiggled my question. So the question being asked is, how many donuts can she buy? All right, so if I'm at the store and this is happening to me, I may not choose to write an inequality, right? Because that seems bonkers if I'm doing that in a store. But just so you know, you can use inequalities to help you in these situations, all right? That's what an inequality is. We have a constraint, and the constraint is that she has only $5 to spend. Does she have more than $5? No. She has $5 or less. So that constraint tells me it's an inequality. So 5 or less, what symbol is that going to be? I'm going to write an inequality. So I need to think 5 or less. Is that greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to? All right, so your correct answer there is less than or equal to. So she is less than or equal to $5 to spend. Now, what's the other side of our linear inequality look like? And remember, it's a linear inequality. So now we're thinking back into that mx plus b format. Okay, so a donut charges 70 cents for each carryout box. I'm sorry, I'm reading it wrong. 70 cents for each donut. Do I know how many donuts she has? No, so that's going to be my x. 30 cents for a carryout box. Now, how many carryout boxes is she getting? She told us she's only getting 1. So I have 70 cents, but I don't know how many. And then I have 30 cents, and I know there's 1. Okay, so this question didn't say write an inequality, but an inequality is going to help us. So we need to keep that in mind for these questions. There's like a hidden step 2 in there. Now I'm going to go ahead and solve it. 30 cents times 1 is just 30 cents. 70 cents times x. And 5. All right, inverse operations. I already have variables on the left, but I don't have numbers on the right, so I need to get rid of this number and use my inverse. And last but not least, I'm going to divide. So I get x is less than or equal to 6.7142. Oh my goodness. All right, so let's think about what does that mean on a number line. So I have the number 6, I have the number 7, I have the number 8, I have the number 5. All right, so it's less than or equal to 6.7. So where is that going to fall on my number line? So 6.7 would be somewhere around here. Is it an open circle or a closed circle? It's going to be closed. And it's less, so I'm going to go this way. Now again, it didn't tell us to graph an inequality, but it's going to help us answer the question. Because now, we need to look back at step 1. The question was asking us how many donuts can she buy. So I look at this answer, and what does that mean? How many donuts are possible? Can she buy 7? Is that in the solution? Or can she only buy 6? Remember, I can't buy 6.7 of a donut. What, are they going to rip the donut in half? No. So how many can she buy? Which number is in the solution? So the correct answer is 6. She can buy 6 donuts in one carry out box. All right, please bring this with you. We are going to do more questions like this in class tomorrow.